How to enable voice navigation in Google Maps. What is up guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how you can easily enable the voice navigation option on Google Maps. The very first thing you have to do is simply go ahead and open up your Google Maps on your phone. Once you have Google Maps open, you want to find the top right corner to go to your profile. So I'll just go ahead and tap on my profile over here. Once you go to your profile, find settings at the bottom, and once you are on the settings menu, you should be able to find your navigation settings. Scroll down until you find navigation and then tap on it. Once you tap on navigation, on the mute state right on top, make sure it's not muted, it's unmuted. And then on the guidance volume, you can do softer or normal. And if you don't hear it, you can also opt for a louder voice. I'll just select this to normal for now. And the default voice selection is going to be English, but you can also change it to other languages if you want. Now, if you are still having issue, you might want to go ahead and turn off the Bluetooth because it might be issue with your Bluetooth connection. Let's say if you're on your car and your car speaker's Bluetooth is not working properly, you might want to turn this one off first and then try to play it via your phone. Then you should be able to get it to work. Then on the map display, it could change to automatic day or night, and then on the distance you could choose how whether it be kilometers, miles, or wherever you want. And you could also choose to keep the map up north. These are some of the things that you can do to turn on the voice navigation in Google Maps. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and you could also go ahead and play a test sound on navigation
Navigating with Google Maps.
and you should be good to go.
This is what it will sound like when navigating Maps.
So that's basically it guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.